Zdravo! I'm Fernanda from Teatro Educación. We are from Chile, very far away from here, and we are here to present our performing Una Mañanita Partí. It's one morning I left, and I don't know how can I say in Bosnia. And we are also very happy to stay in Sarajevo. It's our first time here. We met Giorgio Ursini in a festival, in a great festival in Santiago de Chile. He saw our work and then he invited us to stay here in this great festival, MES, with beautiful people who make us feel very in home. And this morning we had the first performing here in Sarajevo. Tomorrow we are going to travel to Gorazde, and then Monday we will be in Visoko. And well, the kids and the babies today and fathers and mothers, they're really happy with the work. We work to the early childhood, but also to the father, to the mother, to the whole society, because it's very important that this audience had great spectacles, performance with a great level, beautiful and with poetry, and we are working for that. So we're very happy to stay here. We are expecting the other performings in the other cities, and I don't know, we are really happy to stay here from Chile. In Chile we say guaguas al teatro, it's like babies to the theater, because our work is from the day of the birth until 6 years old, but it's enjoyed by all the family and all the society, and this work just want to contribute to the creation of a healthier humanity, and that's what we love, and with all the respect and all the love to the children, to the adults, to the grandfathers, grandmothers, because it's a work for everybody. Teatro Educación, Chile.